Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit these thumbnails PSD files. If you haven't downloaded them, feel free to download them first. You can get the download link from the description below. After extracting the zip archive, you will get all these files except the passport file. You will need the zip passport to extract these PSD files from the zip archive that I will show you later on. So, keep watching this video to know how to edit them and also to get the zip passport as well. When it comes to editing the PSD files, make sure you install all fonts required on your computer. You can also get the download links of the fonts from the text file included. Let me show you how to install one of the fonts. Copy any font source link, then visit the font source page by pasting the URL to your browser and then press enter. Click download. Click OK. Go to your download folder. Right click the font archive. Select extract here. Run the TTF file and click install. Likewise with the other fonts if they haven't been installed on your computer. So let's get started on how to edit one of these PSD files. Let's say you want to edit the thumbnail number 5. Make sure you have the Photoshop software installed on your computer. Then open the PSD file. As you can see here, all of the thumbnail elements are layered separately, so you can easily edit the design to make a thumbnail as you want. Oh yeah, by the way, here is the password for the zip archive. Make sure you type the password correctly. Let's continue editing the design. To change this photo, expand the image group. Hide the sample photo by unchecking the eye icon next to each layer, so you don't need to delete the layer. Hide the text as well. Then go to the folder where you have your photo file and drag the photo to the canvas. If you need to resize the photo, press and hold the Alt and Shift buttons on your keyboard while dragging the size controller. To flip the image, make sure the image layer is selected, then go to Edit, Transform, and select Flip Horizontal. If you want to make a white outline for your photo like this one, you can watch the previous video from this channel. To move the image, activate the Move tool and drag the image to another area as you want. Next, to edit the text of the title, expand the text group. Double-click the text layer icon and start typing your text. If you finish, click this checkmark button. And likewise for the other text layers if you need more text space. But if you need only one text layer, simply hide the other text layers without deleting them. To save your thumbnail, go to File, select Save As, choose the JPG file type, select the folder where you want to save it, and click Save. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Feel free to write a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more future uploads, and see you in the next video.